Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 says, what is 52.1% of 8.9? So I'll translate this to an equation. Here's the word is, that will be my equal sign. On the left side I have the what, that's going to be my variable x. Then I'm going to look for the word of so I know what to multiply. I'm going to be multiplying 52.1% in its decimal form, which means I move the decimal 2 places to the left, 0.521, times 8.9. Since x is already solved for, if I punch 0.521 times 8.9 in a calculator, I find out that x equals 4.6369. So, what is 52.1% of 8.9? It's 4.6369.